Hey there, this is Adrika Badare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in my previous video, I taught you about if statement in Python. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you if else statement in Python. Okay, so here, let's make a new file and write here tu20.py. Okay, so guys, in if statement, if the condition is true, the code will run. The indented code will run. If the condition is false, the indented code will not run. Okay, but what if we want that if my condition is true, it will print or it will execute a particular code, and if the condition is false, it will execute another code. Okay, so here let's write number is equals to 10. Okay, here I will use if statement. If number is equals to 10, and here at the end I will put colon. Okay, as in my last video I told you that double equal is used to compare and single equal is used to give value to the variable. Okay, so here I am using double equal to compare the value of num, that is 10, to 10. That means the condition is true. Okay, so when I will enter it, there's already an indentation, right? So if I write here print condition is true. Okay, so if number is equals to 10, then it will print condition is equals to true, and after that, without giving any indentation, I will write else. Okay, here I will write else, and here I do not have to give any condition here. Okay, if you will give any condition here, it will throw an error. Else has only one purpose, that if the condition is false, it will print or it will execute any other code. So here I will write print condition is false. Okay, so if my condition is true, it will print condition is true. If my condition is false, it will print condition is false. Right? Let's execute our program. As you can see here, it is written condition is true because number that is equals to 10 is equals to 10. Right? That's why my condition is true. But if I change the comparison, so it will write condition is false, because as you can see here, my condition is getting false here, right? And as I told you, else works only when my condition is false. Okay, if my previous conditions are false, it will work. So here my this condition is false, so it is printing condition is false. Now if I want to give two or more conditions, suppose if I want another if statement, so I can write here if num double equals to 10. Okay, so it will write here print number is 10, right? And here let's copy this one and paste it this here also, and write it 5 here. Okay, so if my number will be equals to 5, it will print number is 5. If my number will be 10, it will print number is 10. Let me show it to you. See, it is written number is 10 because right now the value of my variable is 10. So, as this statement is getting false, this statement is getting false, it is checking the another statement. That statement is true. So, it is executing the code which is inside this statement. Okay, as you can see here, this part of code is indented after this condition, right? Now let's change my value to 5. See, as you can see here, it is writing number is 5 as well as it is giving condition is false. So do you know why it is giving condition is false and number is 5 both? Because as you can see here, I have if statement and then I have again one if statement and then I have else statement, right? So this else statement is for this if statement. Okay, this if statement has this if statement, but this if statement does not have any else statement. Okay, so what it will do, it will check all the lines, all the if statement. So it is checking this if statement first. So it is true, the condition is true here because my value is 5, the value of num is 5, so the condition is true. That's why it is printing number is 5. Now it will check this statement also. So here it is getting false. So as I told you that if statement, if statement has this else statement. So what is it doing here? As it is getting false, so it is executing this else statement. That's why it is printing number is 5 as well as condition is false both. So how to get rid of this error? That we will talk about in my next video. So see you soon in the next video guys with the rid of this problem.